Learners, you are all welcome to online class. This is Rustom Ali, assistant teacher, Ibrahim Shikha Niketan, Bigon Dinaspur. Our authority has started to serve the online class with a view to reaching the student serving. And today I am going to teach you about suffix and prefix. A good student is always fond of read book. He is respect to his teacher and his super. He never honor everyone. He is not liked by all. He is a study. He does not waste his valuable time. He is also mind to his study, so we remember him. At this model, I want to make out you this question, how to solve in this situation. A good student is here be verb. After be verb we take always adjective, but when any preposition will come in the sentence, we will take gerund. We have to add ing with the verb. The answer will be reading. Then he is respect. Again, after be verb, the word will be adjective. But the word has been given only verb. So we have to add here full. If we add full, then it will be adjective respectful. It will be respectful to his teacher. But here also given tease. Here also given tease, but before the tease also given possessive pronoun, possessive adjective. So after the possessive, we have to use noun by using er. So it will be teachers. And before and after and, verb will be the same. Verb will be the same. In this moment, C, question number C, teachers and his superiors. So after, before and after and, the partial space will be one. Partial space will be one. So here superiors. Answer will be superiors. He never honor everyone. But the sentence has been given mistake. So the answer will be he never dishonors everyone. He never dishonors everyone. Dear learners, we have to understand here that if the subject or verb object, but we find here the sentence is negative form. The sentence is negative form. If the sentence is negative form, we have to add prefix. You know very well, and you have to know very well here, if the sentence is indicate negative form, then we are to add prefix. So here appropriate answer will be dishonors everyone. He is not liked by all. This sentence also negative form. So it will be prefix, disliked by all. He is not disliked by all. As he is studying. After be verb, we have to make the word or verb adjective. But in the bracket has been given only verb. So it will be studious. He does not waste his valuable time. Here has been given two nouns. At the same time, we find two nouns. If we find two nouns at the same time, we have to make one adjective. First word will be adjective and then other noun. So value is here noun. It will be adjective valuable. It will be adjective valuable. So he does not waste his valuable time. is also mind to his study. Here also we find be verb. After be verb we are to make adjective, but we can find here only verb. So we have to make it adjective mindful. It will be answer mindful is study. So we remember him. Here we have to know this is universal truth that subject, verb and object. But at the last sentence we find subject and noun and object. But we have to make this word member verb. The verb form of this word will be remember. It will be remember. It will be remember. Please. This model, the student, I am giving the solution, I will answer of this model. First of all, question number A, and the answer will be reading, because after preposition all the verb will be gerund. All the verb will be gerund. So appropriate answer of this question is reading. And then he is respectful. He is respectful. Here the appropriate answer will be respectful, because after be verb we have to use adjective. I say to take adjective. Here adjective respectful is adjective. To his teacher. After possessive pronoun we are to use verb. But has been given verb, we have to use here noun, teachers. Before and after and the participle will be the same. He never dishonors everyone. The answer will be here dishonor. Dishonors everyone. Is not liked by all. Here appropriate answer will be here dislike. Disliked by all. As he is studying. Here after be verb we are to take adjective form. But already here given in the bracket verb. So the answer will be adjective. Studious. The appropriate answer will be studious. He does not waste his valuable time. Here appropriate answer will be valuable. Here after possessive form we are to take adjective, because there is also noun. Before noun we are to use adjective form. Valuable is an adjective form. He is also mind to his study. The appropriate answer here will be mindful. Because after be verb we are to take adjective, but in the bracket already given verb. If we do not correct, it will not be a meaningful sentence. So I have taken here mindful. Mindful already have become an adjective form, but mind was only verb. to his study. So, we remember him. We know that, universal truth that we know. Subject, verb and object. Subject, verb, object. But here has been given noun. So in this form, we have to make it verb. Member, only noun. If you do not make it verb, it will be incorrect. It will remain incorrect. So appropriate answer of this word will be remember. Now I will tell again the complete answer. Complete answer. A good student is always fond of reading book. He is respectful to his teachers and superiors. He never dishonors everyone. He is not disliked by all. As he is studious, he does not waste his valuable time. We have to keep in mind that one point, if we find two nouns, equally two nouns, then before the first noun will be adjective form. First noun will be adjective. He is also mindful. After be verb, we have to make the verb adjective. If we do not make it adjective, it will be incorrect. It will be incorrect. So we have to make correct. To make correct, we have to follow the rules of all suffix and prefix that I have said here standby. To his study. So we remember him. Dear students, you will write on your paper and then I will give another question. Dear students, please follow on the whiteboard and the question will be solved. Now, he goes to school regular. We have to remember one word that at the beginning and at the end of the sentence, we have to use only adverb. We have to use only adverb. But in the bracket, already given only adjective. It is called regular. Regular is an adjective. But in these rules, I told at the end of the sentence, or before the sentence, only adverb is used. Adverb is used in the bracket. So we can correct here regularly. It will be appropriate answer regularly. He is not attentive to study. I am telling again the same word that if the sentence is negative form, we have to add prefix. Here the sentence is negative form. He is not attentive to study. But we are talking about good student. Good student is not attentive. But we have to keep the meaning same. To maintain the same meaning, we have to use here opposition word. Opposition word answer will be here inattentive. The appropriate answer will be here inattentive. Inattentive. He is not inattentive to study. He is not inattentive to study. This kind of topics like the changing sentence, without meaning without meaning it's changing, without changing its meaning, without changing its meaning. We have to correct the meaning of the sentence. If we do not keep the correct meaning of the sentence, then it will not be a meaningful sentence. It will not be a meaningful sentence. So we have to keep the meaningful sentence. Inattentive to study. He does not obey his teachers. Here the sentence indicates that a good student never obeys his teacher. But the sentence is incorrect. If we want to make this sentence correct, we have to make it opposition word. If we do not add here prefix, it will be meaningless. It will be meaningless. So to make meaningful sentence, we have to add here prefix. I have told you from the very beginning of the class that when the sentence will be negative form, then we have to add prefix. We have to add prefix. If we do not add prefix, the meaning will be meaningless. The meaning will be meaningless. So the appropriate answer of this question will be disobey. It will be disobey. Disobey. He does not disobey his teachers. He is not known to all. Again the same question we are facing. I have said it that if the sentence is negative form, we have to add prefix. If we do not add prefix, the sentence will not be a meaningful sentence. So this sentence is negative form, so we have to add prefix. What will be appropriate answer of this question? Prefix. Unknown to all. He is not unknown to all. The popular of a good student is real dependent on the proper utilize of time. Here we find also another section, another function of parts of speech. If we do not know very well the proper use of parts of speech, we can't answer this kind of question. So we have to know very well the use of parts of speech. Because parts of speech will help you to make the answer meaningful. Here we find this is determiner. After determiner, the word will be noun. If we do not make the word noun, the sentence will not be a meaningful sentence. So we have to make the popular. The word will be here noun. After determiner, the word always remains noun. So the noun of the popular will be popularity. It will be appropriate answer popularity. The popularity of a good student is real development on the property of time. Here we find also an adjective. Real is an adjective. To say something by force, or any person or any matter, if you want to say something by force, then it will be adverb. If you find this kind of word, adjective, but it will be adverb. Really, Appropriate answer will be really dependent on the proper utilize of time. Here also we are following the same rules. Here we can find the proper. Proper is an adjective. Proper is an adjective. Proper is an adjective. After adjective, the word will be noun. But in the bracket has been given verb. Utilize. Utilize. The synonym word of utilize is use. But in grammatical point, we find proper. Proper is an adjective. But after adjective, the word will be noun. Here, appropriate answer will be utilization. So, it will be noun, utilization of time. He is an asset of any country. Dear student, I have presented this suffix and prefix class online for you because if you do not understand, you may give the comment box. I must try to solve in next class. So please write down on your paper. My dear students, see you again on next lecture online class. Allah Hafiz.